In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blocks, basic tutorial. AutoCAD. Blocks are one of the best ways to save time and keep your drawings consistent. A block lets you turn one or more objects into a single, reusable item that you can insert again and again without redrawing. Think of things like doors, symbols, fixtures, or any combination of shapes you'll need more than once. We'll keep this simple and go through the core workflow from start to finish. First, draw your block. Create the geometry exactly the way you want it to appear whenever you use it. This can be any combination of lines, arcs, polylines, hatches, or text, whatever makes up the object you plan to reuse. Take a moment to double-check sizes, alignment, and orientation, because whatever you draw here becomes the definition of your block. Clean geometry now saves edits later. Next, select them all. Click and drag a selection window around every piece you want included in the block. Everything that's highlighted will become part of the block, and anything not selected will be left out. If something gets picked by mistake, deselect it before moving on. The idea is to package only the items you intend to group. Now, type block in the command line. You can also type B, E, and press Enter. This opens the block definition dialog. Here's where you give your block its identity. Enter a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Names like door single 900 mm or title symbol are more helpful than something vague. Next, pick the base point. Click the Pick Point option, then choose a logical location right on your geometry, often a corner, a center, or a snapping point you'll use when placing the block. This base point becomes the handle you'll grab every time you insert it, so choose it thoughtfully. With the name set and the base point picked, click OK. That's it. AutoCAD now turns your selection into a single block object. You'll notice you can select it as one item, move it as a unit, and keep it consistent across your drawing. From this point forward, you can reuse the same block definition whenever you need an identical instance, keeping your work tidy and efficient. And that's all there is to it. Draw your objects, select them, type block, name it, choose a base point, and click OK. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for clean, repeatable design.